Middletown traffic, Cutlass 107 Tango Sierra is turning base for 05 Middletown. Okay, we've got 80 knots. We're coming down at 500 feet per minute. Drop in one more flap. There we go. This one's looking better. Middletown traffic, Cutlass 107 Tango Sierra is turning final for 05 Middletown. Okay, gears down. Prop full, mixture rich. Carb heat out. We're coming down at 75 knots at 400 feet per minute. 450, which is about how you come in on an ILS. A little fast, so let's take an inch of power off, keep the glide ratio the same, lower the speed. Now it's 75, down to 70. There we go. Want to keep some power in. Down the, there we go. Go. Flaps up, flaps up. Okay, I like that one better. Let's see if we can do a couple more of those.